Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to blur in Canva. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to log in into your Canva account, and if you don't have one, you can navigate to canva.com and create an account. So to blur an image, I'll navigate into my dashboard area. Notice I have all the templates I may want to use from business, social media, videos, etc. etc. I'll just choose any template and you can choose any that you feel is okay as long as you're able to blur your image. And who knows where you'll want to use it. I'll click on a blank whiteboard, and on the working area you can tell I have a number of templates that are included in the whiteboard area. I want to manipulate an image by blurring. So on the left section, I'll navigate to the upload option. I will then select the image option and I can import that from the Dropbox option, Google Drive option, or the Box option. I can also click on upload and directly select from my computer to have it there. Canva is so flexible that I can also click and drag from my file explorer into the working area. I have already uploaded an image here, so what I'll do is click and drag into my space. I'll make it a little bit bigger so I can manipulate it easy. Notice when I select the image, I get this toggle option and a menu to edit photo appears at the top section. I will click on the edit photo option and there are a number of effects that show up. I have the effect option, can do some magic, I can also do some adjustments, and I can also crop. In this video, we want to blur this image, and to make that happen, I'll navigate into the adjust option, and from the options that are provided in here, I can see there is a white balance, there is light, color, and at the very top section, we have the sharpness option. Now look at this image, I'll make it bigger a little, as I change the toggle options on these texture options. So for the sharpness, I may go increase to make it more visible, but I can also go back to make it blur. Anything that is blur has less clarity, so I can go to the clarity option and reduce that a little bit. If you go a little bit further, that becomes more transparent, but again, if I go a little bit forward, it becomes more clear but very blur. Notice the difference between what I had in the beginning and what I have now. Once you're done, you can import the image to any format of your choice. Well, thank you for following along, and now you know how to blur an image in Canva. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and I will see you in the next nugget.